Hello guys, so the editor is out for a family dinner today, so I'm recording this video and I'm probably just going to post it as is. But anyways, welcome to another video. Today we're going to go through the markets and just identify what are the best potential setups for today. It's going to be a bit more raw, but otherwise, right now, as of right now, I think there is a good opportunity in Bitcoin. So let's talk about that first. So Bitcoin, you have a bullish daily bias, and yesterday yesterday played out exactly how I kind of expected it to play out, right? If you recall from yesterday, I said it wasn't going to be the absolute best because you could make an argument for both sides of the equation. Ultimately, Bitcoin did not end up playing out. But the fact that today we finally have a pump means that we have a solid daily bias to work with. And daily bias aside, we're coming back into this PDO rate right now, about 45 minutes out of the New York session. So the game plan for today is just going to be looking for a pump from this segment right here. And obviously, if you close beneath this order block, we're no longer going to be looking for longs. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that today's Labour's Day. So, officially, markets are technically not supposed to be open, but Bitcoin has been playing out so cleanly so far. So this is still worth a try. Like, literally, just a trade here, placing a stop there and targeting the highs. Like, it's as simple as that. Like, you could even go for a little bit higher, in which case we're going to have to go to the daily chart to see if that is indeed feasible. And so far, looking good. Like, in the event that, we are in fact already in bullish order flow, it makes sense that price would head towards that 80,000 level. And so placing a TP at that level would not be outrageous. So, literally $79,000. Although these are going to hit today, I highly doubt it. So we're not going to be too greedy here. That's going to be a 10 or kind of trade. But even just here would make absolute and total sense. So Bitcoin is looking super clean. Now, I have to admit that I haven't started looking at the rest of the charts yet. But from what I can see immediately is that Euro, you're potentially going to have a good setup. Over here, this is the bullish order block that you kind of traded into. If I take a look at gold, this is still playing out from the trade that I had last night. It's a trade that I took alongside the Blueprint guys during the live trading call. However, today's somehow in a bullish daily bias. So I should technically be closing this trade out, but still, for gold, you're going to be looking for price to actually just pump from this level right here. Like, it's as simple as that. Basically, Euro, you're going to be looking for longs. Gold, you're going to be looking for longs. Nasdaq as well. Like, surprisingly, even though we're at the all-time highs, price is still continuing to make some pretty strong movements. Yesterday, I was expecting price to just kind of dump because, well, you've already taken out the high and you're at the all-time highs and, stuff like that. However, the fact that you haven't retraced back into this key level here means that you ideally want to look for this one. But honestly, I think Euro and gold is looking just a tad bit cleaner compared to Nasdaq and oil. Like, it goes without saying, yeah, it's literally just shopping around. So I don't really see too much of an opportunity over there. Now, USD Canadian is also very interesting. Much like USD JPY, it just went through a massive dump yesterday. And so far today, you are respecting this order block. And so literally a position like that, targeting to our, or potentially some lows. Do we have any lows? Yeah, we do. We in fact do. So that would be potentially a 4-hour trade. So yeah, USD Canadian is looking good as well. Like, I would probably prioritize USD Canadian, Euro, and gold for today as the best opportunities alongside Bitcoin, obviously. But yeah, surprisingly, even though it's Labor Day, things are playing out still pretty nicely. So take advantage of it. I'm going to post any updates to Twitter when I'm available. Although me myself, I'm going to go out for a family dinner as well. It's been a while since I've been home. So yeah, guys, I'll see. Like, it's been a good week. And I'll see you guys next week or later. Ciao, ciao.